smile. Ahem, Ingo! Yoo-hoo!
Nothing. I am just studying for our exam.
Studying? How can you be studying? You're not even looking at your notes.
I am a teacher. I have many pupils. I am the principal of my school. I run my own school.
Ingo, you are not a teacher. You do not have your own school. And what pupils?
Of course, I do not have any. Not now. Not yet. What I mean is, in the future.
Oh, now I see. You should have used will or going to plus the base form of the verb when talking about something in the future. That is why I did not understand you a while ago.
What are you talking about? Will, going to, plus base form?
These are expressions used to tell an action or event that will happen at a future time.
Action. Event. Ibig sabihin, yung pangyayari, mangyayari pa lang, ganun.
Exactly. Instead of saying, I am a teacher, you should say, I am going to be a teacher. Or, instead of saying, I run my own school, you should say, I will run my own school.
So this is my plan. Huh? I am going to be a teacher. I am going to have many pupils. I will teach my students well. I am going to be the principal of my school.
That is better. But where did you get the idea?
Miss Regala said that if we study hard today, we could become successful people in the future.
That is true.
When I reach college, I will take up education as my course. I am going to be the valedictorian. I will work as a teacher in our school. Oh, I will be a very good teacher. And I am going to be the principal of my school. I am going to save money. With the money, I am going to put up my small school.
Wow! It looks like you have it all planned. It is good that you know what you want, Ingo. But I suggest you study right now for your exam before planning any further.
Mamaya na lang. Marunong na naman ako eh. I will study as soon as I finish planning for Ingo Institute.